This job is in Alaska, approximately 1 hour north. It's actually about a half hour from Wasilla, Alaska. It's a boat ramp. There were several big rocks here that we had to use that excavator to remove. And we removed all these by hand, but there was two that we couldn't move. But the excavator moved it. Making a little berm here so that we don't have to chase the bank because we don't want to run out of AquaDam. We're gonna start right here, go out, go around this post here. There's another post and back in. We're starting with a 158 foot long, 6 foot high AquaDam. Here we are, we've got the AquaDam laid into place. It goes over our man-made berm, which is right there. We're going to put a rope underneath this right here and back around so it's not quite as wide. And we're ready to start pumping. We've made our first turn. Pumps are running. We've made our first corner. You can see all the slack right in here. Of course, the outside of the radius is taut, but the inside has folds in it. It's got pleats. You got to get the water around the pleats, so you have to stand there and work the dam from this side back that way to pull all the pleats, all the extra slack right into that corner. Well, we've got our second turn made now. He's standing there to make sure we don't drift into the work area. As we go to pulling on the AquaDam, it has a tendency to end up in the work area, and so rule 1, we can't get in the work area.
Trying to tie back to those cleats. Try to get it to stay far out that way.
Well, we're going to move this bucket right here. And it has to be done just right. No up. Can't go up. So he's moving that way and back. We're using a bar in the top seam, that little flap right here. Stuck right in between, and we've got more of a pulling point than just putting a rope there. So we're going to let him hold it there and then fill up the AquaDam. We're going to now fill this inside tube first. Hopefully it'll roll the outside tube over a little bit. And they'll have a little bit more space there. Now he's moved it about 2 feet over, doing it like this. Hopefully it just won't come back on it. They're going to make this concrete, you're going to remove this concrete, and the concrete they're going to put in is going to be 2 feet wider and 4 feet further out. So they've got plenty of room. This project is for the Alaska State Parks, a boat ramp.
Once you put that safety fence back, not too much hanging those up on the posts. For a whole I think we'll end up.
Still pumping up the AquaDam. These people are launching their boat. They've started their dewatering pumps, and they're dewatering and ready to go. Pumping this out. Well, there you go. Well, next time I'm up here, I'll take you and your son up on that fishing, maybe, huh?
Solar electricity in it. So, you know, hot and cold, they paid $8,000 for a remote well driller to go up there and drill me a goddamn 41-foot drill hole in the ground for a well.
Is that right?
Yeah.
This is in Alaska. on the Gacona River. It's July the 11th. They're going to remove this bridge and put a new bridge right here. In the meantime, they're going to remove this bridge, move it upriver up to here, and then they're going to build a new bridge where this one already is. And what they want to do is come up here, and they have to set a crane out there in the middle of the river. So they're going to come up here and with an AquaDam and push the whole river to the opposite bank. And that's our next project here. The AquaDams are already up here. And yeah, the water is dirty, dirty, dirty because of the runoff. But they don't plan on doing this for another 30 days, and it'll be a whole different picture here in 30 days. This water is not very deep. I don't believe it's 4 feet deep. All the way across the river. It's just very, very silty right at the moment. Now, to help out this, what we want to accomplish is we're going to try and force the water all the way to the other side. You can see standing right here, there's boulders on the other side that are protruding out into the river that the government put there to keep the river from undermining the bank there. And the best thing is to put an excavator there, reach out, get those big boulders out of there, because that's exactly where the river's got to go. For their first phase 1 of this project. And this river meets up with a much more, bigger, 4 or 5 times as big river just downstream from here, about 300 feet. There's an island that goes right up from there, right up the middle of the river, I'm told, at low flows, and we're going to tie into that island. But the river's going to go down first.